Okay, looking at your box and whisker plots. It says for questions 1 through 5, refer to the box and whisker graph below, which shows the test results of a math class. Now, I wrote that we need to label the box and whiskers, label the maximum and minimum, determine the quartile 1 and quartile 3, and then determine the median. So, all of these were given to you, or how to identify this information was shown to you in your notes from yesterday. Those notes should be out. These, box plot. It tells us about the minimum and maximum, quartile 1, quartile 2, which we call the median, and quartile 3. Okay, I need y'all to get focused. It's on Google Classroom. All right. 38 is my what? It's the name. There's a name for the lowest or for the least. Minimum. Okay, I need your side conversations to end. That's the last time I'm going to say it before I decide to call your moms after school today. Gentlemen. Okay, if 38 is the minimum, then what is 102? What's the opposite of a minimum? A maximum. Look at your notes, guys. This is a number here. 1, this is a number here. 2, 3, 4, stop talking. 5. There are 5 parts to this data set that I need to identify in order to understand what's going on. Okay? The median. What is the median? Yes.
88.
88. That's the number in the middle. Good. Now I need quartile 1. That's the end of the first quarter. 72. And then the end of the third quarter of the data. 96. Okay? Those are the parts that I need. Now, because I'm talking about quarters of data, if this is the end of the first quarter, what would this be as a percent? How much of the data would this be? Okay, listen to my statement. That is correct. This is the end of the first quarter right here. So how much of the data is this? 25%, a fourth. This is the end of the second quarter. So how much is this? Another 25. And this? Another 25. And this last piece? 25%. Box plots are known for focusing or being around the middle 50% of the data. So what is the middle 50%? I just wrote it down. The box. 38, not 38. That has nothing to do with the box. 72 is where the box begins. And 96 is where it ends. Good. Now, what was the high score on the test?
96.
Those of you who are saying 96, why?
Because the score shows from 72 to 96 shaded in.
Does the data stop at 96?
No.
So what's higher than 96?
102.
102 is the highest score. What percent of the class scored above a 72?
50.
Good. 75 is the correct answer. Above a 72. Is this above or below 72?
Above.
Is this above or below 72? Is this above or below 72? So how much is that altogether? 75%. You're starting at 72 and going above it. What was the median score on the test? What percent of the class scored between? Stop talking. Wait, let me finish. What percent of the class scored between 88 and 96 on the test?
25.
A quarter. Do you think this test was too hard for the students?
No.
Explain. I need something that is based off of this data to help me explain why or why not the test was too hard.
I know.
Because 75% of the students got higher than a 72.
Good. So was it too hard or no?
No.
Not too hard because most of them got a pretty good score.
Both.
75% of the students scored what?
75.
Nope. Scored a 72 or more. Gotta include that 72. Okay. For questions 7 to 10, refer to the box and whisker graph below that shows how much time was spent per night on homework for sophomore class at a certain high school during September. Average minutes per night spent on homework. What do these numbers mean? 190 students or 190 shoes? $190?
Minutes.
So these are minutes. So I need my percent. How much is this piece right here? 25. This piece?
25.
All of them are 25. Now that we've gotten the hang of that. Now this middle piece altogether is how much?
50.
50. This is the middle 50%. Okay? What's 190?
The highest.
Which is called the maximum. The lowest is
0.
0, the minimum. What is 60?
The median.
No.
Q3. What is 20?
Q1.
What is 48?
Median.
Okay, now we can answer some questions. What percent of the sophomores spend more than 60 minutes on homework per night? 25. Here's 60. Here's more than 60. 25%. What is the range of times that the middle 50% of the sophomores spend on homework per night? 40, because I'm going from 20 minutes to 60 minutes. I have to look at my middle 50%, which is the box. This is also called the interquartile range. So the interquartile range starts at 20 and goes to 60. What's the difference between 60 and 20? 40. All right. 40 minutes. How many sophomores do not do homework? 25? That's the percent. Nope. Can I determine how many sophomores do or do not do homework?
No.
No, I know that somebody said 0 minutes and I know that somebody said 190, but I don't have a list. So this is can't tell or can't be determined.
So why would they put that extra?
Maybe because we're two.
Because they're going to be questions like this on your test.
And you're gonna give us the answers for that?
No.
Wait, I have a.
Mm-hmm.
So for each box, it's always 25%.
Each piece of the data is always 25. So there's 2 whiskers and 2 parts of a box. What percent of the sophomores spend less than 20 minutes per night on homework?
25%.
25%. Have you written this down? Yep.